In this video, we are going to review Link Finder AI and see if you should use it to find and enrich leads and company data. First, we go to the pricing page to see Link Finder AI pricing plans. Here we can see the pricing details and available plans for Link Finder AI. For $49 per month, you can get up to 5,000 credits, each used to enrich one data point. You can create an account on Link Finder AI for free to start using the tool. This allows you to try the features without commitment. When you create an account for free, you are granted some free credits to try the tool yourself. You can also buy additional credits as needed. Next, click on the LinkedIn Profile URL Finder feature, which allows you to find LinkedIn profiles by name and company. All you have to do is input a lead's full name to start the enrichment process. Then, select the company name field to specify the lead's organization. Fill in the company name to help narrow down the search for accurate results. Click on Enrich Data to get the result data for the lead you entered. As we can see, the result has been fast and the value is accurate. The tool found the LinkedIn profile URL for Bill Gates at Microsoft. Clicking the LinkedIn profile URL confirms the correct profile has been found for Bill Gates. Select the data type you want to enrich, such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Fill in the desired data type to tailor the enrichment results to your needs. Choose the output type, like LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address, to define the enrichment output. Fill in the output type to specify the kind of data you want to receive. Click the field to enter a LinkedIn profile URL for enrichment. Fill in the LinkedIn profile URL to retrieve detailed information from that profile. Note that each LinkedIn data enrichment costs 10 credits per request. Click Enrich Data to process the LinkedIn profile URL and get enriched data. You can see Bill Gates' job title, location, and other profile details after enrichment. The About section shows Bill Gates' roles and interests, providing valuable context. Experience details include Bill Gates' current and past roles at various organizations. Education history is also available, showing institutions attended by the lead. You can select different output types to retrieve various data points as needed. Fill in the output type to find the lead's email. Click Enrich Data to update the enrichment with the selected output type. The tool retrieves Bill Gates' email address from the LinkedIn profile URL. Select output types repeatedly to access different data points as required. Fill in the output type to find the lead's phone number. Click Enrich Data to process the latest output type selection. You can also get the phone number associated with the lead from the enrichment results. Link Finder AI provides an API access section where you can automate tasks using the API. You can view detailed API documentation to understand how to integrate and use the API effectively. The Company Enrichment API endpoint allows you to enrich company-related data efficiently. The B2B Data Lookup API provides comprehensive business data enrichment capabilities. You can buy credits to continue using the enrichment features beyond the free trial limits. If you run out of credits, the tool will notify you so you can purchase more.